Today we're going to be taking our door panel off because we have to get to our lock mechanism over here. Our door ajar light keeps going off and we have a new sensor for that. But in order to do that, we have to take our door panel off. What you'll need is a T30 Torx. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool. And you need a ratchet, socket, and extension. And this is 7 millimeters. I'm going to start with taking my screwdriver and just prying this off right here. It comes out. And then pull this. You just press down on that. And that comes right out. Just shove it down there. Flathead. And over here, you can either pry it from the top or pry it from the side. Here we go. Try it out. And it's the T30. So we're going to take that out. Okay. And then down here, it's hard to see, but you can just, that just comes right off like that. 2 clips right here. Press this down, take that out. Okay. Let's start working on our 7 millimeters. We have 2 over here, 1 right here, 1 right here, and then we have another 1, 2, 3, 4 to take out. So. Okay. Don't forget about this hidden one right here. Okay. It's another Torx. All right. Just should pop it off. Clips. You have to unclip some of these, so I'm going to unclip this. Again, just press that right there. Press that in, pull that out. Okay. And then this pops out. Okay. And then I'm going to slide it in like that. So I don't have to mess with the doorknob or the door handle. So you don't have to mess with the door handle, just slide it in there. One more clip to undo. Right here for your speaker. Again, just press down and pull out. Press right there. That's for your speaker. Speaker. Don't worry about that. Okay. Just peel our plastic back a little bit so I get a better view. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew these 3 here, okay, and slide the mechanism out. Slide the mechanism out so I can replace that sensor. T30. Just loosen it up. So I'm going to push this in because it's holding the mechanism to I just need to get the mechanism out enough. I just need to get to my sensor, which is right here, and has obviously gone bad. So it pops right out. This is also the sensor that lets your window know when to come down a crack. And so it also tells you if your door is open or closed. So I'm going to replace this. We got our sensor. It's a Ford Motorcraft sensor. We got ours at O'Reilly's, and we ordered it online, and they delivered it to the store for us. Put the sensor back in. There. Oh, it's working. And then I'm going to put it back in here where it belongs to make sure that the door twists in and snaps. Okay, and that should fix my problem. This goes up here, goes in that hole. I'll help you guide it. I'll start reassembling. Okay. Find that hole, pop that back in there. There we go. Okay, let's pop back in, and that's for your door there. Put this back. So hook that back on. Make sure we got a speaker. Hook that back in. Okay. Get this plugged in before I forget. And that's how you change your sensor to help your window go down automatically just when you open and close your door, and also your door jar sensor. It's the same sensor. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.